Dear students, in this lecture, let us learn about the topic Karnaugh map or K-map. The Karnaugh map was invented in 1953 by the American scientist Karnaugh. It is a graphical representation or pictorial representation of simplification of Boolean expressions. Here, the K-map consists of 2 power n cells, where n is number of variables. For 2 variable K-map, it requires 2 power 2 cells. 2 power 2. Power 2 is number of variables and 4 is number of cells. For 3 variable K-map, number of variables are 3, that is 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Number of cells are 8 and number of variables are 3. For 4 variable K-map, the number of variables are 4 and the total cells are 16 cells. That is 2 power 4 is equal to 16. Variables are 4 and cells are 16 cells. In this example, the 2 variable K-map consists of 4 cells. There are 2 rows and 2 columns. Each row is represented by a variable and its complement. And even column also, it is represented by a variable and its complement. Here the variables are A and B. The first row is A bar and second row is A. The first column is B bar and second column is B. The first term is multiply the row and column or column and row. So 0 into 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 2, 1 1 is 3. So for 2 variable K-map, it requires 2 variables and 4 cells. For 3 variable K-map, 2 rows and 4 columns. The 4 columns are represented by 2 variables and 2 rows are represented by 1 variable. So it requires 3 variables and 8 cells. The first cell is 0 0 0, that is 0. The second cell is 0 0 1, that is 1. The third cell is 0 1 1 3. 0 1 0. The fourth cell is 0 1 0, that is 2. The fifth cell is 1 0 0. In binary, 1 0 0 is 4. The cell number is 4. 1 0 1. The cell is 5. 1 1 1. The cell is 7. 1 1 0. The cell name is 6. So this is 3 variable K-map and 8 cells. The 4 variable K-map. Here for 4 variables, we need 4 rows and 4 columns. Each row represented by 2 variables. The first row is 0 0, second row is 0 1, third row is 1 1 and fourth row is 1 0. And the column 0 0 is the first column, 0 1 is the second column, 1 1 is the third column, 1 0 is the last column. The first cell is 0 0 0 0. So it is multiplication of row and column or column and row, because A into B is equal to B into A. So 0 0 0 is nothing but 0 cell. 0 0 0 1 is nothing but cell 1. 0 0 1 1 is 3. 0 0 1 0 is 2. In the second row, 0 1 0 0 is 4. 0 1 0 1 is 5. 0 1 1 1 is 7. 0 1 1 0 is 6. In the third row, 1 1 0 0 is 12. 1 1 0 1 is 13. 1 1 1 1 is 15. 1 1 1 0 is 14. In the fourth row, 1 0 0 0 is 8. 1 0 0 1 is 9. 1 0 1 1 is 11. 1 0 1 0 is 10. In the K-map, we are using gray codes. The first gray code is 0 0 0 0. 0 0 0 0. Second gray code is 0 0 0 1. Third gray code is 0 0 1 1. Fourth is 0 0 1 0. The next gray code is 0 1 1 0. See the table, the gray code is 0 1 1 0. Next is 0, 1, 1, 1. The cell number 7 is 0, 1, 1, 1. Next gray code is 5, 4, 12, 13, 15, 14, 10, 11, 9, 8. So it is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8, 9, 7, 10, 11. So the gray codes are like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Let us see the conversion from binary into gray code. Here the binary number is 1110, that is 14, is converted into gray code, that is 1001. The binary number 1110, the rule for binary into gray is, the first one is MSB of gray is same as MSB of binary, and here the MSB is 1, so gray also 1. For second conversion, second gray code, take XOR operation between MSB and second significant bit. So 1 XOR 1 is 0. Next, take XOR operation between second significant bit and the third significant bit. 1 XOR 1 is 0. For last one, take XOR operation between third significant bit and fourth significant bit. 1 XOR 0 is 1. So the conversion of 1110 gray into binary into gray is 1001. In this two variable K map, each cell filled by product term or min term. The first row is A bar, second row is A, and the first column is B bar and second column is B. So take multiplication of row and column. A bar into B bar, that is the first cell, the first product term, A bar into B bar, that is nothing but 0. The second cell is A bar and B. A bar into B is the second cell, that is nothing but 1. The third cell is, row is A and column is B bar, A into B bar. The fourth product term is, row is A and column is B, A into B is the fourth cell. So the first min term or product term is A bar B bar, second one is A bar B, third is AB bar and fourth is AB. So this is the two variable K map. For three variable K map, we need three variables. The variables are A, B, C. You can take any variables from A to Z. So here we have two rows. The rows are, one is A bar, second row is A. There are four columns. Column number 1, column number 2, 3 and 4. There are four columns. The first column is represented by B bar, C bar. If it is 0, if the variable, if it is 0, take B bar. If it is 1, take uncomplemented form. Here 0, 0 are there, so B bar into C bar. Next column is 0, 1. 0 is complemented, that is B bar. 1 is uncomplemented, that is C. B bar, C. Third column is 1, 1. So both the inputs are 1, 1. So take uncomplimented form B into C. The last column is 1, 1 is uncomplimented, take B, 0 is complemented, take C bar, B into C bar. The first row, the min term representation of first cell is A bar into B bar into C bar. The first cell is A bar, B bar, C bar, that is nothing but 0. The second cell is A bar, row is A bar, column is B bar into C. So the cell is A bar, B bar, C. The third one is, row is A bar, column is BC, A bar into B into C. The fourth cell is, row is A bar, column is B into C bar. So the min term is A bar, B, C bar. The second row is represented by the variable A. Second row into first column, A into B bar, C bar. The cell filled by A into B bar into C bar. The next cell is, row is A, column is B bar into C. That is A into B bar into C. The next cell is A into BC. The row is A and column is BC. A, B, C. Next one is row is A and column is B, C bar. So the cell filled by A into B into C bar. These are the minterms representation of each cell. We can also represent the three variable K-map in vertical manner. So in this K-map, the rows are 4 rows. So variables are A, B. And columns, there are 2 columns. The variable is C. A, B, C. There are 3 variables in vertical manner. So the first row is A bar into B bar. Second row is A bar into B. Third row is AB. And fourth row is A into B bar. And column, the first column is C bar. Second column is C. Now also take A bar into B bar into C bar. That is nothing but row into column. Row is A bar, B bar. Column is C bar. The first cell filled by A bar, B bar, C bar, that is 0. The second cell is filled by A bar, B bar. Row is A bar, B bar. Column is C. A bar, B bar, C. The variable is 1. The value is 1. The second row is A bar, B and column is C bar. The cell number is 2. The fourth cell is row is A bar, B, B and column is C. Fifth cell is row is AB, column is C bar, that is 6. Next cell is row is AB, column is C. A, B, C. The cell is 7. A, B bar and C bar. The next cell is A, B bar, C bar and the cell name is 4. Last is the row is A, B bar, column is C and cell is 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let us see 4 variable K-map. In 4 variable K-map, the variables are A, B, C, D and the rows are A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar and column also C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. So there are 16 cells in the 4 variable K-map. Each cell filled by a particular product term or minterm. The first minterm is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Second minterm is A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Third minterm is A bar, B bar, C, D. Fourth minterm is A bar, B bar. Row is A bar, B bar and column is C, D bar. So that is A bar, B bar, C, D bar. The second row is A bar, B and column is C bar, D bar. So multiply the row and column, that is A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Second row, second column. Second row is A bar, B, second column is C bar, D. The minterm is A bar, B, C bar, D. Second row, third column. Second row is A bar, B, third column is C, D. So it is multiplied by the row A bar, B and column C, D. A bar, B, C, D. The second row and fourth column. Second row is A bar, B and fourth column is C, D bar. The minterm is A bar, B, C, D bar. The third row, entire row is AB and the first column is C bar, D bar. The minterm of this cell is AB, C bar, D bar. Next is the row is AB, column is C bar, D. It is filled by A, B, C bar, D. Row is AB, same row for 4 cells, say AB and column is CD and this cell filled by A into B into C into D. The next cell is AB row and column is CD bar. The cell is filled by A, B, C, D bar. The last row is AB bar and column is C bar, D bar. The cell is filled by the minterm A, B bar, C bar, D bar. The cell number 9 is A, B bar and column is C bar, D. The product term filled by the cell is A, B bar, C bar, D. The next is row is A, B bar and column is C, D, and the cell is filled by A, B bar, C, D. And the last one, the row is A, B bar and column is C, D bar. A, B bar, C, D bar. So in the K map, we are using gray code. So write the variables are like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last one is 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15. Let us move on grouping of cells for simplification. The first grouping is pair. A pair is a group of two adjacent ones. The two ones are in the form of horizontal or in the form of vertical. In the example 1, 1, two ones are in the form of horizontal, two ones in the form of vertical. But the diagonal grouping is not possible. 1, 1, two ones are in the form of diagonal. It is not possible in K-map. In pair, it eliminates one variable and its complement. In the example, there are two variables. Out of two variables, one variable is eliminates and its complement also eliminates. The second grouping is quad. Quad is a group of four ones. The four ones are in the form of horizontal or vertical or in the form of square. In the example, the four ones 1, 1, 1, 1, they are in horizontal manner. 1, 1, 1, 1. The second group is in the form of square. In the quad, it eliminates two variables and its complement. Here there are three variables. Out of three variables, two variables and its complements are eliminates. In this example, the four ones 1, 1, 1, 1. The four ones are in the form of vertical. We can make it vertical quad. In the second example, 1, 1, 1, 1. Four ones are in the form of horizontal. We can make it horizontal quad. In this example, 1, 1, 1, 1. Four ones are in the form of square. We can make it square quad. The third grouping is an octet. An octet is a group of 8 ones. The 8 ones are in the form of horizontal 2 rows or in the form of 2 vertical columns. It eliminates 3 variables and its complements. In this example, the 8 ones are there in horizontal manner. So 2 horizontal rows. Out of 4 variables, it eliminates 3 variables and its complements. In the second example, the 8 ones are there in the form of vertical. It eliminates 3 variables and its complement. So in an octet, the grouping is two horizontal rows or 2 vertical columns. Thank you.